Hello everyone, this is Ivan Ross, your tutor for today's topic, the Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Gauss-Jordan elimination method is one of three methods that can be used in solving the linear equations. Unlike the first method, which is Gaussian elimination method, is different from it is it's the setup matrix. It still follows the AX equals B equation, but this time the matrix will be 1, unlike the first method, which is the Gaussian elimination method, where the zeros are just in here and these are constant. The Gauss-Jordan elimination method must satisfy this matrix by making the pivot into 1 and the constants that surrounding it into 0. Let's make an example. First, transfer this equation into a matrix. First, let's make this 2 into 0 by multiplying R2 minus the new R2. The equation will be 1, 1, 5, 0, 1, negative 2. Next, we make this 4 into 0 by multiplying R3 minus 4R1 as the new R3. Next, we make this negative 4 into 0. We multiply R3 plus 4R2 as the new R3. We notice that the negative 4 becomes 0 and the rest of the variables also change. Next, we make this 3, we make this 13 into 1. 1 and okay. Then multiplying 1 over 13 over R3. The new matrix will be The first three zeros are already satisfied, and the pivots are already one. Next, the one, the here will be, we must make this into zero. We must make this 3 into 0. Kaya multiply R2 minus 3R3 as the new R2. Next, we must make this 1 into 0 by solving R1 minus R3 as the new R1. Next, we must make this 1 into 0 by solving R1 minus R2. Because this matrix are already simplified and the only non-zero variables are the pivots, the answer will be automatically x equals 3, y equals 4, j equals negative 1, negative 2. This method is more simpler and more accurate than the first method because we can easily identify the x, y, and z without substituting these variables again to the first equation. Automatically, the answers will be 3, 4, negative 2 because the only variables that left are this row. We can again check the equation, the answers by substituting the first equation to a x equals to b. So 3 1, 2, 4 plus 4 1, 3, 0 minus 2 1, 5, 3. The answer will be the predictive answers, the 5, 8,